All right, so I have here this kind of different and interesting tool that I've been needing to get. It kind of looks like one of those suction cups that will allow people to like scale a glass building, but that is not what I'm going to be using this for. So this actually allows you to fix gaps in floor. So like I have this laminate premium vinyl flooring that has a gap right there because the floor, you know, it is a floating floor and the boards will shift a little bit over time. So I'm gonna suction this down to that board right there. And then they also give you a couple hammers, little mallets here. I'm gonna, once I suction that down, I'll be able to tap on it and then hopefully move that board. I have used this on another one already, another board, and I was able to get it to move. This board's a little bit shorter though, so hopefully I can get that suction down there in the right spot and then move it over. Like I said, they give you two of these mallets, one's smaller and one's bigger. I'm gonna use the bigger one because it has a little bit more weight to it. So let's try this and see if I can get this to move. Okay. And there we go. So yeah, that definitely took the gap out. Of course, when I fixed that gap, then there was a gap here, so I had to put it on this board here and then move that one over a little bit too. And now that gap is hidden under that floorboard or under that baseboard. So perfect, did the job that I needed to do. So I would definitely recommend this, looks great. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.